Horses out, we have Manly pass to begin. Cool reception in second. Esquisse in third. Then comes Packet Racket. Alam mo na yan, Chance on the and Coquette is the early trailer. We have Manly and on the outside is Cool reception. A length back in third. Esquisse, Packet Racket in fourth. Then followed by Alam mo na yan, Chance on the and Coquette trails the field. We have Cool reception. Moves up in between horses. And on the outside, Esquisse, Manly, dress back in third. Chance on the in fourth, Packet Racket. Alam mo na yan, in between horses and Coquette. We have Esquisse, Cool reception, Manly once again down on the inside. Racing in fourth, Chance on the then comes Alam mo na yan. Esquisse, Cool reception in the middle. Manly's running by trail. Then here comes Alam mo na yan, Chance on the as they come down to the last 150. We have Esquisse by about 3 lengths. Alam mo na yan, Cool reception, and on the outside, Chance on the but it's still Esquisse, Alam mo na yan is on the outside. It's now Alam mo na yan, Esquisse, and finally Alam mo na yan, Esquisse, then comes Chance on the Coquette, Cool reception, Packet Racket, and Manly.
3675, unofficial. Alam mo na yan. Wait pa si RV Peñaflor doon.
57.